Hey everyone, in this today's video I will show you how to hide your last seen or online status on Telegram. First open the Telegram app and go to the main screen. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, then go to settings. Now tap on privacy and security and select last seen and online. Here you can choose who can see your status. Select nobody to hide completely or my contacts for limited visibility. You can also add exception if you want to specific people to see or not see your status. At a time you can hide your profile photos from Telegram. You can also hide your profile photos on Telegram. And that's it. Your last seen is now hidden. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Telegram tips. Thank you. Tata.